Hi, today I'm for the new REALME GT Neo 3T and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first we should open the settings application, and after that scroll and tap to the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see ringtone volume panel. Just to mute ringtone, hold and slide to the left side this dot on the ringtone volume panel. Also get one more way how we can do that. First, scroll down, tap to advanced settings, and in the volume button function you should select ringtone volume. And now just by press to the down volume button, let's go back here, press to the down volume button, and by this way we can also mute ringtone volume. And just we can make it by this way, just press up or down volume button, and after that scroll, just slide to the down this volume panel with your finger, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.